Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, remote start, MP3, cooled seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2016 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.